Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. You might face this kind of question during the digital SAT math section, so I strongly suggest you to, just try to pause this video, try to solve it on your own. If you can just afterwards, you can just check your answer from the video, and you can do the same thing from the playlist section in our channel. I strongly suggest you to go and check the playlist section, whichever the topic you want to excel in digital SAT mathematics. That's being said, let's solve this question. In March, Liam's store sold 25% more apples than the Noah store. If Liam's store sold 400 apples that month, how many apples did Noah's store sell? A, 300, B is 320, C is 350, and D is 370. Let's set up the equation. So they're saying that, so I'm going to label the number of apples, sold by Liam store. I'll just call it L. Same thing, the number of apples sold by Noah store. I would like to use the letter N for it. So let's set up the equation then. Lamb's store is 25% more apples than the Noah store they sold. So Noah plus, and 25% of something means 25 over 100. And if you will just rewrite this as a decimal, this becomes 0.25, right? Because when you divide anything by 100, if there are two digits, you move your decimal place from right to left, 2 points. So this makes 0.25 of Noah equals to Liam's. So this is how you set up the equation, and this makes 1.25 of N. And in the question, the Liam store sold 400 apples. So L is given to us. Let's go ahead and substitute that value in the equation. 1.25 N. And this is what N is, something that we're looking for. To get the N by itself, we will divide both sides by 1.25. So this cancels each other out. During the SAT, you're allowed to use your calculator. If you do this with your calculator, 400 divided by 1.25, you would get 320 apples. That is sold by Noah store. So the answer for this question is the choice B. This is how we solve this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, please leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.